season 2 of Organizing Tune-Ups with your host, Jessica Littman, that's me, where we break down big organizing concepts into small, bite-sized chunks you can do every day in your home for 5 to 15 minutes. This season, we are covering more organizing topics. We are going to dive deep into some really fun chats. And we also have a brand new feature where you can ask me your questions. Wherever you're listening to this, there is a button where you can click and ask me your question. You can also email me with any questions because we are going to be covering some viewer questions this season. And we have a lot of other fun things planned. So make sure you are subscribing to Organizing Tune-Ups, and I cannot wait to chat with you.